everyone, my name is Mina. I'm a photographer specialized in portraits, and today I'm going to show you how to take stunning pictures with your phone. Let's go! I like to find shadows under trees to create some interesting patterns in my portraits. If you change the f-stop on the Reno 7, you can achieve different bokeh flare levels. Personally, I like to use f2. Wow, this turned out great. If you zoom in, you can see the bokeh flare even better. Wait, I have another idea. Come follow me. You can find random objects around your house which have interesting shapes and patterns. Today I'm going to use this tablecloth to create a beautiful portrait. Later tonight we are going to shoot some more portraits, playing with lights. But first, let's go find some light bulbs. Let's try to turn off the main light source, and your blurry background will have a perfect bokeh flare in your night shot. Come hang out with me tomorrow. I will play with lights and take videos of my beautiful friend. And make sure to check out the Reno Academy for unique tips on how to become a portrait master.